Welcome back to day 2 here at the Sema show with PLM, Private Label Manufacturing. And today's video, I'm gonna be checking out some more cars, really nice, dope Sema builds. We already did the main central hall, so we're gonna focus more on that side. I'm not too sure what side that is. So we are here at the central hall for the most part, and we are number 6, so racing performance. And today we will be focusing on West Hall, reselling car accessories, trucks, SUVs, as I mentioned earlier today. That one is also pretty massive too, so we're gonna check that out. And tomorrow we will be focusing on North Hall. We'll be focusing on North Hall area. So first time I featured exhibitors, business services, mobile, electronics, and technology, and Friday would be the last one too for these two. So we have a few JDM cars that we will be checking out for day 2 here at the Sema show. So we have a Lexus, wide body Lexus, I don't even know what that is. LC 500, we have a MK5 Supra, BMW. And we have a Dodge Charger. That's pretty custom. Oh,
No, I know. The new one.
what is that?
The Dodge Daytona.
Oh, is it really? I didn't know about that. And we have a G-Wagon right here, F-150 truck. I love this color. And we have a Veilside RX-7 FD. Wow. Woo, slammed, Rohana wheels. I could be wrong with the kit, guys, but it actually looks like a Veilside. What do you guys think about this? Will 7FD. Love it. This would be my very first time seeing Ken blocks. Look at that. Suki's Honda Civic, Honda SUK from the Fast and Furious. All the way from, I think might have been Too Fast and Too Furious down in Florida. That's pretty sick. Wow.
If your girl Laura says, I'm the most extra chick you've ever met.
This is pretty sick. I'm assuming this might be an AP1 or it could be an AP2. I could be wrong, but definitely a dope car. All right, this is some crazy stuff right here, y'all. Literally, this is Bugatti Chiron, and you don't get to see these cars. And now I'm seeing one in person. Insane. And next to it is a McLaren Senna. Oh my God. This is insane. This Senna right here is, you know what? Actually, I saw one Senna in San Francisco at one point. It was a white one. I heard the guy was like some filthy rich dude somewhere. I forgot which part in the city actually, but either way, having a Senna, McLaren Senna, it's a different level. Wow. Them seats are just insane, dude. Check that out, man. Garage 16, what's going on, buddy? Crazy carbon Hamilton collection. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, the wheels look like BBS's, but I know they're not. Oh my goodness. Wow. All right, now we're talking. Now we're definitely talking. The rear on this car is so massive. That exhaust looks like an alien weapon or something stuff. I don't know. Polo, yeah, this is a Polo hypercar or supercar. Ryan definitely knows a lot of things about this, man. 720S, this is a wide body 720S, pretty sick. Okay, check it out. What else do we have here? Wow. We have one too. Woo. The doors go up like that. That's crazy, bro. I'm actually intrigued. I wonder what kind of wide body this is. Match shine, all for detailing. It's crazy, bro. Damn. What do you guys think about this 720S right here? Ryan, is it 720 or 750? Yeah, for the most part, it looks like it. Wolf of Wall Street, this guy. Woo, I'm not gonna lie, we can't wait to have our own. I mean, we already have a McLaren 720S. We just have to pick it up. So eventually you guys will see a 720S at the PLM fleet. This Lamborghini Huracan SEO is a wrap. Not too sure what kind of color it is, but whatever it is, man, this thing is so nice, dude. Sick. I'm assuming this thing's also on air bags, maybe. Carbon fiber wing. Not too sure if these came out like this. Not too sure if the exhaust is also the same, or like aftermarket or not, but either way. From Washington. It looks like the exhaust is actually titanium already. I don't know if you guys can see it inside, but pretty sick, pretty sick. Oh my god. Bro. For right-hand drive as well. What? Dude, holy sick, bro. Carbon fiber wheels. That's crazy. Alright. Wow, look at that. How's it going, man?
Just fine, sir.
Alright, okay, thank you. Dude, Koenigsegg, bro. Damn. This is insane. Literally insane. Look at this badge right here. Yeah. I bet that badge probably costs in a house or something.
I know, right? I can't even think about it.
Dude, look at all the blinks right there, man. I don't know. That's
why I'm staying away and using the zoom.
It's like
I don't even want to get close to it.
exactly. Like not one thing up. Dude, this thing
My
is
whole
insane.
family's ruined for the rest of existence.
Holy shoot. You know what? I don't want to stand closer in here because we definitely don't want to damage anything out of the car. That car is insane, bro. Oh my goodness. I'm surprised at the West Hall area. Oh my god, this car is something else. This is like one of the top hitters. Oh, sorry. Ooh, look at that. Damn. Guys, look how massive West Hall area is at the SEMA show. All the way from that side, we're not even halfway through. Just put the hazard all the way on that side. This is huge, bro. Huge. All right, so this is just a quick update, guys. We are back at the Central Hall where we're located at, and the people are just getting bigger and bigger here. It's insane. Like, this is just the outside. This is like the lobby of the Central Hall. Now we are going into the. They're going back to the Central Hall.
Every day, and they're the.
Here we go. Honda Pro Jason just visited us here at the PLM booth, the SEMA show, and oh my goodness, I'm not gonna lie, I was actually caught off guard. He just came here and I was just chilling for a bit, and he was just talking about, like, he interviewed me, like, you know, what the car was, this and that, what is PLM, and we were able to deliver it. All right, this is the great and infamous 2025 Honda Odyssey Sport Type R Tribute. So this is a Honda Odyssey. Wow, that's insane. 6-speed swap manual transmission. And this one has a K20C1, which is a Civic Type R motor. The same motor that we have for the F5, the Civic Type R. Besides ours, which is 519 horsepower. I'm not bragging or anything, but this is pretty impressive. You put a K20C1 inside a Odyssey van, which is insane. Well, whoever built this, you guys want to get into the 500 horsepower mark, talk to us. We got you. All right, we're gonna end the video for day 2, guys. This is going to be the last clip of our day 2 at the SEMA show. we actually went back to the Central Hall area. We already finished the West Hall, and everything was cool. You know, a lot of great cars, a lot of dope builds, a lot of exotic cars actually, surprisingly, but like insane exotic and hyper cars. So that was really good. But other than that, we will be back with another video tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and also comment down below which of the builds you guys actually enjoy for day 2. See you guys in the next video. Peace.